Let's talk about content layering, how to triple your blog traffic this year. We're going to reverse engineer the best in class SEO site structure. Content layering is a strategy that I think is so powerful that sometimes it can feel like you've just unlocked the ultimate blogging cheat code. Imagine transforming your blog into a treasure map where each post is a clue leading your readers on an adventure from the surface level basics to the hidden gems of your niche. Keep watching all the way through this video because we're going to embark on a journey through the layers of content that will turn your blog into a binge worthy saga. What is content layering? At its core, content layering is about breaking down a broad topic into manageable, interconnected pieces. Content layering involves creating a structured hierarchy of content, ranging from broad overviews to detailed explorations of specific topics. Imagine you're building an upside down pyramid where the large base is the general introduction to your topic. And as you move down or up the upside down pyramid, each layer offers more detailed information on subtopics. This method not only helps in keeping your audience engaged, but it also improves your blog's SEO, search engine optimization, by creating a network of related posts. Okay, so how does content layering even work though? Well, to me, there are four general steps that I follow to make content layering work. Follow these and you'll be well on your way to mastering this strategic approach to blogging. Here's step one: identifying your core topic or topics. Start with identifying a broad topic or topics that resonate with your audience and align with your blog's niche. This core topic should be expansive enough to warrant exploration through multiple subtopics. For example, if your blog focuses on digital marketing, your core topic could be content marketing strategies. We'll go over more examples in a minute. Step one is identifying your core topic or topics. These are the top level topics, the most broad, the most expansive. That's step one. Now, step two is to break down the core topic, each core topic. Once you have your core topic, list out subtopics that fall under this umbrella. These subtopics should be related but distinct aspects of the core topic. Here's some more examples of step two, breaking down the core topic. Subtopics for content marketing strategies might include blogging, social media marketing, email marketing, and video marketing. You do that for each one of your core topics. Step three is plan your content pyramid. Remember, this is upside down pyramid. But after you identify your subtopics, organize them into a sort of pyramid like structure. The broadest, most general content will form the top level of your pyramid because it's an upside down pyramid. So the base, the big wide base, is at the top. As you move down to the smaller and smaller layers of your pyramid, your upside down pyramid, the content should become more specific and detailed. Big, expansive topics at the base, small, specific topics at the bottom. All right. So, base layer. Again, this should be an introductory post or a topic that provides an overview of the core topic. It sets the stage for deeper exploration and should link to all of your subtopic posts. So, that's important. This is introductory. This is what is content marketing, or just content marketing strategies, the ultimate guide, something like that. And then you link from that post to your post about blogging, to your section about blogging, to your article about email marketing and video marketing. The middle layers are your subtopic posts. Each post should offer a comprehensive look at one aspect of the big overall core topic. They can also link to each other if closely related. You're now promoting an interconnected reading experience. The top layer consists of highly specific posts that explore niche aspects of your subtopics. These could be case studies, advanced techniques, or personal insights. All right, so that's a lot. Remember, we're going to go over some examples in just a moment. Step four, the final step, is to create and connect your content. Ensure each post is comprehensive and provides real value on its own. Use internal linking to guide readers to related subtopics or back to the base layer for a refresher. And then you got those top layer posts, the most specific ones. This is where you craft detailed posts on niche topics. These posts should offer unique insights or advanced discussions that appeal to readers who've followed your content pyramid and are looking for more in-depth information about highly specific topics. Before we talk about some made-up examples, I want to go to an actual website, ESPN, big successful website that is doing content layering, and show you how it works in real time. Now we're on ESPN's website, and you can see even from this screenshot on the screen that the navigation bar at the top of the website is this top level or base level of the pyramid, or top level of the content layering strategy. So you have just different types of sports: NFL, NBA, NHL, soccer. That's the top layer. That would be the most expansive, big, broad topics. And then you move down one layer by, let's say we click on soccer. And now we see we can go to home, we can go to stories, we can go to schedule, we can go to tables, transfers, teams, leagues, cups. That's the second layer going down into subtopics underneath the big topic, soccer. So that's how it works. Then you click on this, and here's an example of going from soccer down to teams. And then on the teams site, you can go down even further into specific teams and get real specific news articles, stats, look at the players, probably video highlights. Those are 3 or 4 levels of content, but it's very structured and it's very seamless and intuitive. So let's talk about some made up examples. Let's say you have a health and wellness blog. Your core topic might be healthy living for beginners, a base layer, an introductory guide to adopting a healthy lifestyle. That's a good one. The middle layers, separate posts on diet, exercise, mental health, and sleep. Remember, you can connect all the blog posts on the middle layers, and you should definitely be linking all of these middle layer blog posts back to the top base layer, that introductory guide, and vice versa. Link from the base layer to the middle layers. Then you have the more specific layers, and those are deep dives into ketogenic diets. In this example, the HIIT workouts, the mindfulness techniques, and sleep hygiene practices. And again, you'll be linking from those up to the related subtopics. You're just linking related content all the way through so that readers have an easy treasure map from big topics down to more specific topics. Another example, a personal finance blog. Your core topic is financial planning for millennials, let's say. And your base level, that big broad layer of content, is an overview of financial planning basics tailored to millennials. Makes sense, right? Then you have more specific subtopics, the second layer, which are detailed guides on budgeting, saving, investing, and managing debt. And then you have the third layer, or the more specific layers: advanced investment strategies, side hustles to increase income, and hacks for frugal living. You interconnect all the related content. One more example, a tech blog. Your core topic might be the future of artificial intelligence, AI. The big broad topic, your first layer, would be an introduction to AI and its potential impact on society, let's say. Now, your second layers are explorations of AI in healthcare, automotive industry, customer service, education, blogging, the creative arts. You can go crazy there. Then your third and beyond layers of content, the more specific, you could go, post could be about case studies of AI breakthroughs and diagnosing diseases, autonomous vehicles, chatbots, personalized learning, automatic blogging, video, AI text to video. You can also go crazy there. I hope that gives you an idea of content layering and how you could apply it to your own site. Here are some tips to implement content layering effectively that I've learned over the years of creating several websites and managing them. I also work on one of the biggest healthcare websites, at least in the United States. Probably the best tip I can give you is to ensure seamless navigation. Make it easy for readers to move between layers by using clear and consistent internal linking, topics, and subtopics. Also, closely related to that is to start with the end game. Pre-plan all of your content layers as much as possible. You can change things later, but it can be tricky. The best thing is to start with the end game in mind, pre-plan your content layers, and update regularly. As you add new content or learn more about a topic, update your post, create new subtopics to reflect the latest information and trends. Probably what you don't want to do is change those top level, those first layer of big, broad content topics if you can. Try to keep those the same. So create big buckets at the top. Try to make sure that everything that you write about on your website will fit into at least one of those buckets. Engage your audience, encourage comments, questions, discussions on your posts. Now, that can be done through social media, newsletters, or some other communication channel. You want to also be promoting each layer of content. Again, you can use social media, email newsletters, other channels. Just promote each layer of content. You can also cross and reverse promote across channels too. If you create a video, you can link back to an article on your website, kind of like this one does. If you look in the description of this video, you'll see a link to a Medium article that I wrote on this exact same topic. And if you're someone who likes to just see things in writing, then go there, go to that link, click through, go to Medium, read that article there. You can logically and intuitively plan your content layers to just make sure that they build upon each other effectively and you lead your audience toward a clear, comprehensive understanding of a topic. Go with your mind and your gut. Imagine yourself as a reader or a site visitor coming to your site, looking for a specific topic, and put yourself in their shoes and actually go through, at least in your imagination, the process of trying to find that topic and learning more about that topic. So you can even sketch that down on a piece of paper. I find that helpful to sketch things out. I'm kind of a visual learner. Sometimes visualizing your content structure can be incredibly helpful. It can help you identify content gaps or just problems that you didn't see. The key to successful content layering to me is understanding your audience needs, curating your content to guide them through their learning journey one layer at a time. Let me know in the comments what you think about that. If you have any questions, I'll do my best to answer them. There's a video coming up right now that really is a great next step when you're working on your blog. So check that video out. If you haven't already, like and subscribe to this channel. Check out the links in the video description. Thank you so much for watching.